Okay. Who did prayer this morning? Koya gave the prayer. Hello.
Danai.
Yes.
We did this question in our last lecture.
Gaji, Nam looked at
2.7 divided by 100. We did this question in our last lecture. So last three questions left. Then I'll give you time to find out any of the questions from chapter 1 and chapter 2.
Yes, sir.
The sums what you feel that is uncomfortable for you or you are having doubt, that I'll solve it right here. Okay? Chalo.
Yes.
7.9 divided by 1000. Again, the same thing we have to do. 79 upon 10 divided by 1000 upon 1. That this will be the first step of our sum. This is
Yes.
question, and this will be a first step of our sum. Now, what is the thing we have to follow here? कौन कैसे?
Reciprocal.
Very good, reciprocal. Now, for doing reciprocal, what we have to do here? कैसे कोई? 79 upon 10 as it is.
And 1 upon 1000.
First, multiplying sign will be there instead of dividing. Then we can just change the numerator and denominator.
Yes.
Now, can you see numerator and denominator is not getting divided with each other, not even cross cuts also. So we have to multiply numerator with numerator. 79 ones are 79. And 10 into thousands are 10,000. Any doubt here? Now, how many digits do we have in numerator?
And 4, 5.
Numerator ma 4 digit છે.
2. Numerator number 2.
And how many zeros do we have in denominator?
4.
So we
4.
have to make these 4 numbers. So if we don't have
Yes.
2 numbers, we will place 2 zeros ahead of 79, then decimal.
Yes.
Then there is nothing, so it will be 0. So 0.0079 is our
Yes.
answer. Can you see here?
Yes.
Any doubt with this method?
No.
Come on now, tell me from this which one you feel still it is very difficult for you all, that I'll solve it right here.
128.9 plus 1000. Number 4.
Plus 1000. क्या है plus 1000?
Divided by 1000. Sorry, sir.
128.9. So 128 point will be removed. So it will be 1289 upon 10 લઈ શકું? Who is that? Who is that nonsense? Can I say I can take 1000 upon 1? Can we do this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, now we have reciprocal. Okay? So 1289 upon 10 multiply 1 upon 1000. Any doubt here?
No, sir,
Boys,
no
any
doubt.
doubt? So 1289 ones are 1289 upon 10 into 1000 will be 10,000. Now, how many zeros do we have in denominator?
40.
How many digits do we have in numerator?
4.
So before 4 digit, we will place 0. So there is no need of including any zeros ahead, right? So 0.1289 is our answer. Any doubt? બોલો છે doubt કોઈને?
Sir, no doubt, no question in here.
Okay, so next question number 5. જાતે થઈ શકે એવો છે. Same thing. 7 is a whole number. So can I take 7 upon 1 here? Divide by 3.5. So 35 upon 10 લઈ શકું. Our first step to form a fraction. Question number 1. Can I say that I form a fraction here 7 upon 1 divide by 35 upon 10? Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So now what we have to do is, again, our first step is reciprocal. Okay? લખવું પડશે?
Yes, sir.
Reciprocal. So 7 upon 1 multiply 10 upon 35. Any doubt here now? હવે ઉપર નીચે cross cut જોઈ લેવાનું whether it is cutting off or not. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So actually 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1. So 2 upon 1 will be 2 only. So answer is what? What is the answer we got? समझ पड़ी कि ना पड़ी, boys?
Yes, sir. Puri.
Now tell me which one you feel more difficult that I'll solve it right here in the class.
76.5 divided by 0.50.
कयो 76.50? Okay, 76.5. Okay, I'll take this sum first. (76.5) divided by 0.15. So 76. I will remove the decimal from here. Divide as it is. Again, I will remove the decimal from here. 15 upon 100. Because we have decimal before 2 digit here. Any doubt with this step, boys?
No, sir.
Sure, na?
Yes.
Now, reciprocal. Okay? So 765 upon 10 as it is. This division will convert to multiplying and it will become 100 upon 15. Fine?
Yes.
Okay. So 13 plus 5, 3 સાથે જશે. 3 2s are 6, 1 up, 3 5s are 15, 1 year again, 3 5s are 15. Okay? So here 3 5s are 15. This will go with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. And over here, 5 ones are 5. 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. So what you got? 51 into 10, 510. Upon my such, 1 ones are 1. So if you write 1, if you do not write 1, it's all okay. So answer is 510. Any doubt with this? Check
Yes,
here.
sir. Sit down. Yes. Sit down.
બોલો બોલ બેટા શું ડાઉટ છે?
તમે you sir 10 ones are 10 tens are તો 10 જો છે
હા,
ન્યુમરેટર માં હા ઓકે પછી ન્યુમરેટર તો 1
51 છે અહીંયા અને 10 વધ્યું અહીંયા. તો 51
પછી
into 10 is 510.
yes and then 1 ones are 1.
ડિનોમિનેટરમાં 1 વધ્યું અહીંયા, અહીંયા પણ 1 વધ્યું. 1 ones are 1. So 1 has no value in denominator. લખો તોય ચાલે, ન લખો તોય ચાલે.
Okay.
Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Chalo, again, check out.
Point
We
one
solve these two sums. Any other sum?
Yes, sir. Number 4, 30.94 divided by 0.7.
Okay. Number 4. This one.
Yes.
$30.94 divided by 0.7. So can I make this into fraction form? 30 point I will remove.
Yes,
So this will
100.
convert to 3094 upon
Divided
100.
Yes, upon 100.
Divide sign as it
7.
is.
7
7.
upon 10.
Very good. 7 upon 10. I got my fraction form here. Now my job is to reciprocal. Now what I'll do to create a reciprocal?
3094 as it is
Very good.
and into division with multiplication and 10 upon 7.
Very good. આવડત તો કરી, પછી મારી ક્યાં જરૂર છે બેટા આમાં તને?
સર પણ પછી પોઈન્ટ લાગવાનો નથી આવડતો.
પોઈન્ટ નથી આવડતું. 7 ones are 7 જાતું જ હોય. 7 4s are 28. Again 7 4s are 28 and 7 2s are 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 442s are how much? 3094. Again 7 4s are 28. તો આમાંથી કેટલા વધ્યા? 2. તો 2 અહીંયા લાગે. Again 7 4s are 28. 1 વળી તો 7 4s are 7 2s are 14. બરાબર છે કે નહીં?
નો સર નો સમજાણો. પોઈન્ટ કેવી રીતે મૂકવાનો?
7 1 પોઈન્ટ ક્યાં મૂક્યો છે સરે? પોઈન્ટ મૂક્યો જ નથી, ખાલી ડિડક્ટ કર્યું. 7 ના ટેબલમાં
Okay, okay.
3094 આવે છે. કેવી રીતે આવે
હા.
છે? 7
7
1
4
7
28.
28. તો 30 માંથી 28
Yeah.
જાય તો કેટલા વધે?
2.
2. So 2 અહીંયા લગાડો 9 ની આગળ તો 29 થાય.
Yeah.
So again can I take 7 4s are 28?
Yes,
So
yes.
28 minus 29 minus 28 તો કેટલા વધે? 1. 1 4 ની આગળ લગાડો તો શું થાય? 14. 7 2s are 14. Now
Yes.
10 10s are 100, 10 ones are 10. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
હવે ઉપર નીચે કઈ કટ કરવાની જરૂર નથી. 442 ones are 442. Okay?
Yes.
10 ones are 10.
10.
Now how many zeros do we have in denominator?
1.
1. So if we have 1 0, we will place decimal before 1 digit. We have 3 digit number here. We will place decimal before 1 digit. Our answer is over.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay,
44.2 here. See,
okay.
fourth sum. Any doubt, boys?
No.
No,
પાક્કું
sir.
ને બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
Yes.
ચલો. Question number 6. Who will read? Zaki?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad
A
Fazil.
vehicle covers
Okay,
Zaki.
Zaki, go ahead.
A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometer in 22.4 liters of petrol. How much
Very good.
distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol?
વેરી ગુડ. હવે આની પહેલાના સમમાં કેવું હતું જ્યારે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું હતું ત્યારે 1 liter of the things was given, we were considering for 10 liters of 12 liters. Are you getting? In this already 2.4 liter of petrol it is given, that 43.2 kilometer there goes through. So 1 liter petrol માં કેટલા કિલોમીટર ચાલે? Are you getting? સમજાય છે? Cross multiply. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
This kind of a sums we did 4 to 5 sums in this chapter, so don't worry at all. Each method needs sums. Only the thing is we have to divide. Distance covered in 2.4 liter of petrol is equal to 43.2 kilometer. So distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to, cross multiply. 1 will be multiplied with 43.2 and 2 will be 2.4 will be divided. Any doubt here?
No.
Hello, 1 minute. I'll solve this for you. So the first steps. Distance covered in 2.4 liter of petrol is equal to 43 point, how much it was? 2 kilometers, right? So, comma, distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to question mark. Any doubt here? Anybody
No,
has
sir.
any doubt? Now 1 liter will be multiplied with 43.2 kilometer, okay, upon 2.4 liter. Any doubt, boys? See the steps what I wrote, that has to be written, huh? Boys. Any doubt here? Bachcha party? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I did cross multiply. 1 liter multiply by 43.2 and this 2.4 we got in denominator. So liter got cancelled here itself. A liter and a liter cancel થઈ ગયું. What is left? 43.2 into 1. So it will be 43.2 kilometer. Sorry. 43.2 upon 2.4. And kilometer will be in common. Anybody has any doubt with this, what we have solved here? Boys?
No doubt.
For sure, Bachcha Party?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Now, we got our sum. Our sum is what? Our sum is what? Sum is like this, see. આપણે નીચે જ કરીએ, એક મિનિટ ઉભા રહ્યો. Can I write like this? 43.2 divided by 2.4. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Any doubt here, boys? Now,
No,
can I
sir.
use my method? 43 point will be removed, so it will convert to 432 upon 10. Divide as it is. 2.4 will be converted to 24. So after removing decimal, I will write 10 again here in denominator. Now what is our step? boys?
Yes, sir. Reciprocal.
Reciprocal, very good. So for doing reciprocal, what is our content to be followed? 432 upon 10. As it is, this division will convert to multiplication, again 10 upon 24. 10 got cancelled here. 10 ones are 10. Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
2 12s are 24, right? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 year, 2 6 are 12. Again, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 0 and 2 8s are 16. बराबर ना क्या नहीं?
Yes,
Again,
sir. બરોબર.
2 3s are 6. So 2 again 108s are અને આપણે ઉપર લઈ લઈએ તો કેલ્ક્યુલેશન આખું અહીંયા લઈ લઉં છું. ઓકે, so 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. સમજાણું કે ના સમજાણું? Now 3 is there and 54 is there. 2 તો છે નહીં. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is divided by 3. So 3 સાથે થશે. 3 2s are 6. Sorry, 3 1s are 3. I'm so sorry. 2 હોય તો 3 8s are 24. So total how many kilometers we got? 18 ones are 18. Any doubt here? Any doubt here, boys?
No,
So
sir.
total after dividing this, what we got? 18 kilometers. So therefore, at the end you have to write one statement. Therefore, distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is 18 kilometer. Is that clear? Check the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
With the help of this sum, our chapter number 2 is over. Exercise 2.7. 7 अच्छा ना? Yes, 2.7 is fully completed. Okay? And
Yes.
chapter number 2 is over. Your homework is to complete all the sums what we did one time at
Yes.
homework in rough book, and all the sums up till exercise and chapter 2, all the sums has to be done in your file. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Now you must got a paper style and the portion, right, for FA1 exam. Group માં મળી ગયું ને બધાને?
Yes, sir. Sir, કેટલા વાગે છે?
એ બધું તમને ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ આપશે રચિતા મેમ. ઓકે, okay boys, but you got the papers, paper style and the portion. Paper style you have to follow thoroughly, bacha. Question number 1 MCQs 5 marks. Question number 2 fill in the blanks 5 marks. Question number 3 solve 2 marks each. So 2 questions will be given, total 4 marks is there. Okay, and question number 4 3 marks each, 2 questions will be there, that will cover your 6 marks. So total 20 marks of exam. Okay boys?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, in if you have any doubt right now, you can ask me out of these 2 chapters. I can solve it right here if you face any difficulty for any questions. And rest of the things I would like to tell you that in our next lecture we're going to start with chapter number 3. Okay? Chalo, I'm giving you time right now. Please refer your textbooks, all of you. And if you find any difficulty, I'll solve the questions right here.
Okay, sir.
હેલો.
બોલો બચ્ચા માટે બોલો 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 I am here only. Ask me the questions if you have.
Sir, that Kaushal said something.
બોલો.
Sir, Kaushal said something.
હા તો બોલને પણ એને કહું છું બોલે નહીં ઈ બોલે તો હું સોલ્વ કરું ને ક્વેશ્ચન. It seems that you all are very expert. You don't have any doubts and you are ready for both the chapters to get 20 out of 20, I think so. Yes, Zohar Abbas? Saki Abbas? Muhammad Fazil, Kazim Raza, Qased? Jisan? What do you say? Yes or no?
હેલો સર.
હા બેટા બોલો.
સર એક્ઝામનો ટાઈમિંગ શું છે?
ઈ પૂછવા પાછો અંદર આવ્યો એટલે તું તારા સ્વાર્થ માટે અંદર આવે જ ને તું પાછો
હા,
વયો
સર.
ગયો તો હમણાં લેફ્ટ થઈને.
ફોન આવ્યો તો મને.
ફોન આવે તો અત્યારે લેક્ચરના ટાઈમે ફોન ઉપાડવાના જ તને. હું ડાઉટ માટેનું તમને ટાઈમ આપું છું કે તમને ક્વેશ્ચન હાર્ડ લાગતો હોય તો પૂછો તો તું તારા સ્વાર્થ માટે બારે વ્યો છે અને તું તારા સ્વાર્થ માટે પાછો ક્વેશ્ચન કરવા અંદરે આવ. હા બોલો.
આ મેથ્સ ના પેપરમાં સપ્લી આવે કે ઓલું લિંક આવશે?
પીડીએફ મોકલવામાં આવશે. યુ હેવ ટુ ગીવ that exam in your examination answer sheet. એટલે જે આન્સર શીટમાં તમે એસે 2 ના પેપર્સ લીક હતા યાદ છે તમને?
એ સપ્લીમાં લખી છે ને
Supplementary માં.
સર?
Yes, you have to write the answers in supplementary.
સર ટાઈમ કેવો છે?
That all instructions will be given by Rachita ma'am, okay?
પછી ફોટો મોકલીને સર ફોટો પાડીને મોકલવાનો ને?
નહીં, ફોટો નથી મોકલવાનો, સોરી. તમારા લગભગ ઈ તમને ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ આપશે જે કાંઈ હશે ઈ what you have to follow, what you have to do that you have to follow, okay? 99% તમને ફોટોઝ નથી મોકલવાના. You have to gather all the papers and you have to submit it. Still I am not confirmed with it, so we all will be waiting for the further instructions from the higher authorities, okay?
હાથમાંથી લીધો ને એટલે
Hello, are you clear, Cosette?
Sir, that bracket one, you can understand me.
Huh?
Bracket ones.
What bracket ones?
Sir, bracket वाला sum.
તો કાંઈક ચેપ્ટર બોલ, એક્સરસાઇઝ બોલ, નોનસેન્સ બ્રેકેટ વાળા સમ તો હું કઈ રીતે કરાવું? કઈ એક્સરસાઇઝ બોલ, ક્વેશ્ચન બોલ.
Exercise 1.3 के
એક્સરસાઇઝ 1.3 ચલો બોલો શું?
સર બ્રેકેટ નથી બહુ સમજમાં આવતા.
we have to multiply simply. બ્રેકેટ બીજું કાંઈ છે જ નહીં. માઇનસ માઇનસ પ્લસ. વેઇટ.
Yes sir.
3, when we are multiplying, whether it is negative or positive, forget about all that, okay? કે negative term છે કે positive term છે, forget about that thing. What we have to multiply? We have to multiply 3 by 1. Yes or no? So 3 ones
Yes.
are 3 ones are
3.
3. હવે જોવાનું માઇનસ ની સાઇન છે, અહીંયા કાંઈ નથી, so it must be plus sign. So minus plus will be minus plus
Minus plus.
minus plus will be minus, so it will be minus 3. Answer માં minus મૂકી દેવાનું. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Now,
For example,
yes, now understand.
For example, minus 316 multiplied by minus 1 છે. Forget about all that. 316 ones are how much? 316 ones are 316.
16.
Minus minus
Minus.
minus minus minus. Very good. You will score full marks. That's for sure. Minus minus plus, nonsense.
Sorry.
Minus minus plus, so answer will be 316 in positive. Is that all clear?
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Any other doubt? Any other doubt, boys? Chalo, then we are leaving right now. All of you can leave one by one. And all the best for your exam tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to meet. If you have any doubt, you can come up with your questions. Tomorrow again I will solve.